Are you frustrated because your iPhone's touchscreen isn't responding? You're not alone. This common issue can be a real headache, but luckily there are effective solutions. In this video, we'll guide you through 2 essential steps to get your device back on track. So let's dive right in and make sure to follow the steps outlined in this video. First up, try restarting your iPhone. It's a simple yet powerful solution that can often resolve unresponsive screens. For models with a home button, hold down the power button and the home button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. For newer models, press and hold the volume up button, then the volume down button, followed by the power button until you see the Apple logo. Next, it's crucial to ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS. An outdated operating system can lead to various glitches, including touchscreen issues. Head over to Settings, then General, and finally Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. We hope these solutions help you resolve the touchscreen issue on your iPhone quickly.